Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about the game of investing and how to win big even if you are just starting. Yes, recently I've been getting private mails, people telling me I'm now in my late 30s, I'm now in my 40s. I feel so bad. Now I'm listening to you. I'm starting late. You are not late because there are many people who you think they're in their 20s and 30s that they are better than you, but starting is one way. You're better than people who have not started doing anything. So regardless of your age, you can play the stock market game. This 2025, we are building wealth one step at a time. So if you believe, if you feel yes, put it in the comments and write, I am a wealth builder. I am a wealth builder. That's because you love yourself. The biggest financial advantage you can give yourself is not to care about impressing anyone. Right now, you should be able to think about you when you're building wealth. Live less fancy life, keep your life simple, and then buy income producing assets. Send your money to work for you. That's why I'm here, to show you how to do that. So this week that we are just in has been doing amazing things for us. Look at this. We had some good money moves. Some stocks that we picked gave us 35%, 33%. Lemonade did amazingly well for us. Lemonade moved from $36 to $49. They reported good earnings, and then some gave us 14%. So this is a newbie. You see what you're missing. She said, at least I'm eyeing at least $100 monthly return. What would I need to see it happen and also grow my account? You see? And I was very happy for her when she showed me one of her stocks that has already given her a $42 profit. That's how you play this game. I want you to join the community. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, write and tell me you are a wealth builder. And please subscribe. Please, it does not take you anything. Just few seconds click and voila, you will be able to see any new video I do. Of course, I teach you how to make your money work for you, leveraging the US stock market. So let's talk about what you need. See, you don't need 6-figure salary. You don't need to earn in 7 figures monthly for you to win in building wealth for your future or making your life better for you. You need to understand that the entire point of getting your money in order is so you can enjoy your life without being restricted by money. Let me say it again. The entire point of getting your money in order is so that you can enjoy life without being restricted by money. So stock market is one of the ways you can win, and you do not even need to start big. I made a YouTube short a few days ago and I talked about how 100 naira, that is less than a bottle of Coke, can be used to buy a lot of stocks in the stock market. So first you need knowledge. To win in this stock market game, you need strategy. It's not enough to know. You need guidance. That's why I'm here. You need a money community where you see other people. You are winning together. You are doing big things together. So I want you to join me on that journey so that we can do this together. Now, I want to talk about something I discovered. So I saw a very interesting thing. I think you're going to love it. So I was looking at the South African stock market, stock exchange, Nigerian stock exchange, and Ghana. These are like the big boys in Africa, right? So I discovered that the entire Johannesburg Stock Exchange has about 297 listed companies, and they have a total market cap of about $1 trillion. That's huge. That's a lot. And then I thought Nigeria was going to beat South Africa, honestly. And I found out that Nigeria was saying, oh, how many trillion naira and all of that. I said, okay. By the time I converted it to dollar using 1,500, I found out that we're around 58 to 60 billion dollars. Can you see the gap between South Africa and Nigeria? It simply tells me that a lot of people are playing in the South African stock market, but a lot of Nigerians are not really playing. Now, our neighbor, Ghana people, 3 million US dollars. So you see, we even have people who are beating very well. That's a good thing. But something is, I want you to get something from this information I'm sharing. Do you know that there are more opportunities that are available? See the gap. We are still, testing the water. Unlike US stock market that are like in 6 trillion thereabout or even more. What I'm trying to say is that there are opportunities available in all the stock markets, but there is a lot in, opportunity in the Nigerian stock market. So big things are really happening, and I want you to, jump into that opportunity. Now, another thing I want you to know about the game of stock marketing is that getting in early beats a lot of things. It's like when I tell people to start children's accounts, investment account for their children, now that they are still 5 years, 3 years, 10 years, when they turn 20, 30, you would have built something that time has given you the gift. So starting early has an advantage. I just picked a random stock. So this is Seplat. This was 2021. So this is the last 5 years. So this is for someone who is saying, I've not really, you have been missing. So the fact that you started today means that there are opportunities that you can start on early. If you start today and you are jumping on Seplat and you want Seplat to double, it may take a long time compared to stocks that are like 10 naira, $2 that you are waiting for them to go to $10 and all of that. So see this, the person who started here before he came to 1,000 naira will earn more money when he gets to 5,000 compared to the person who joined last year when it was around 4,000 naira. So what I'm trying to say is that the person who joins after you will help you to make more money. So when you buy stocks early, solid stocks, so when you buy early, you have an advantage, especially when you do not sell. But that's why I said solid stocks. There are stocks you buy, you need to sell them. There are stocks you buy, you don't need to sell them. Look at this particular stock that we picked in my community. See, it has done 205%. 205%. Imagine someone buying this particular PLTR now. There is no way in the next 1 year you'll be able to beat this person's 200% if the person is still holding this particular stock. So the game is knowing and doing and jumping into these opportunities on time. Okay, in the Nigerian sector, there are so many beautiful things happening. You can bought Chifam. And the beautiful thing is that right now, even Dangote refinery is even coming to Nigerian Stock Exchange. So as an investor, the question you should be asking is, UCAN is buying Chivita Hollandia from Coca-Cola Company. As an investor, what is in for you is that there is more space, like there's a stronger grip in the fast-moving consumer goods space because of UACN. At this point in time, I'm not even going to buy their stock. I'm going to wait for this stock to drop a little. I couldn't get the chart, but you can go and look it up and check UACN. Look at their price. Buy when they drop a little lower, because right now stocks are beginning to drop a little lower. Look at your charts, look at your support and resistance areas, and then you have a chance to buy this stock, this kind of stock that have made this kind of giant stride. And for, of course, he has given you an access for more diversification. So if you don't have UACN, it's another opportunity for you to add it into your portfolio. So of course, you know that there are more opportunities beyond Nigerian stocks. There is US stock, there are T-bills for people who want conservative and short-term, plans. There is mutual fund. Mutual fund is super amazing. You can use it as a retirement fund. You can use it as your children retirement, children's education. So many beautiful things. It's all encapsulated in the strategy that you're using. That will be the game changer. There is something you need to know about the game of investing. Knowing what to buy and knowing when to buy is what changes the game. That is why some people are more successful. The reason why I'm showing you people who are making 200%, people who are making money, who are saying, oh, thank you, ma, I can be earning this amount, is because I'm showing them what to buy and when to buy. Because apart from this, liquidity is another thing, which when you're trading in the Nigerian stock market, there are stocks that you may find it difficult to sell. But that's a conversation for another day. I'm just saying that for today, the game changer in the investing game for you to build wealth the easy way is knowing what to buy. You have this stock in mind. Is it a good stock? being able to determine that, okay, this is a good stock, checking the fundamentals and so many other things, and then knowing when to buy it. You may be holding a good stock, but you bought it at a wrong time. And that's one of the mistakes people do in the stock market. Some people are not investing, which is the worst. Some people are investing too at the wrong times, buying the stock when they are so high, and then when they pull back, they begin to panic. And then ignoring fees. You're not checking that, oh, this app is going to charge me this amount when I buy. You're not even calculating it. You'll be wondering what's going on with your profit. And probably you're taking small profits. So you're even losing the same profit to the fees. So these are the reasons why you need to join a money community. You are not late. You can still join. We have amazing, in fact, a lot of people have joined the community and they are really testifying. And that's why sometimes I try to bring in some of the conversations that we're having there, so you get to see that this is making sense. So we are just started our dividend challenge, 100% dividend challenge. It is super amazing. It's something that you really need to join and see that strategy in action. And then we are working on a compound interest plan, which is interest yielding more interest for you. So money yielding more money, and then all of them are now contributing to yield more money, and it's just amazing. I don't want you to miss this opportunity. So join us in this second half, and we are doing a money reset project. Join our 100 VIP challenge. It is just 50,000 naira. You are getting, in fact, I'm just want 10 people who are very serious, who want to have a change in their finances, to join us for this second quarter. We're going to do a portfolio review for those that have. If you don't have, we're starting from scratch. Clean slate, beautiful. We are having 100% challenge. In fact, between July 1st, when we started, to this August, first week in August, I was just showing some people how they would have made up to 70%. Like the two peaks I have given, one has done 45, the second one is on 33. So imagine that these two, you're already close to the 100 that we are looking to do in a whole year. So we're doing something beautiful and amazing in the community. You're learning how to do market research. I teach you how to do your market analysis. When you look at a stock, what you should be checking. So it is an amazing place for you to join. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I know now you understand how best to play this investing game. You cannot say, I don't understand anything again. Now you do. You have no excuse anymore. If you have not been looking into the stock market, I encourage you, because it's a place where you can. And it's not every time that we have money that we buy stocks. There are times that when I look at the market and look at the stocks we want to buy, it may not be a good time. I will tell everybody to hold their cash. Like a few weeks ago, we were holding cash, and when opportunity came, we just pounced. We have been getting beautiful opportunities. So my stock recommendations are time bound. I look at the state of the market, and in my VIP WhatsApp group, I share those information with them and they get it timely. So if you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe again, drop a like. If you want to join the community, let me know in the comment section that you want to join the community, and I'm going to send you the link, although the link is already in the description, so you can't say you're not seeing it. Please make yourself available, join, and I will see you in the community. The link is a seller link. Click on it and you would get access directly to me and into the community ASAP. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Can you kindly like this video? Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.